In today's video, we will be talking about how to set up gift cards in Shopify. Now, to be able to set up your gift cards in Shopify, you will be able to find that specific feature under products. So simply look over here on the left side, you have your products over here. If you select the products, there will be a drop down or like extra features available. And as you can see, you have your collections, inventory, purchase orders, transfers, and gift cards over here. So simply select your gift card option, and under here, as you can see, we will be able to add or create a gift card. So simply choose the option that you want. Let's first select the option 1, create a gift card. And you're simply going to see here a gift card code will automatically be generated. You can set the value for the gift card. For example, it will be worth 100. And depending on the price that you set, of course, it will change the value. You have your expiration date over here. For example, you could set an expiration date. For example, it will only last for, let's say, 2 days. So instead of 8, it will be set on 10. And then the expiration year will be 2023. There we go. So this gift card will only last for 2 days. But depending on your expiration date or your preference, of course, you can change it also. Then there's also notes over here. This will be notes for you and other stuff. For example, you could say this gift card is only applicable if the person is buying another item, or if the person is buying items worth 500, then this gift card will be available for them, or they could use it on their item. Then after that, you can simply click on save, and you will be able to save that gift card. And as you can see here, it will appear in this part. Then you could copy the code, then send it to a customer or post it to anywhere. It depends on your preference. And as you can see here, the current balance and init balance will be here. Then you can also deactivate this if you want by clicking on deactivate. You will be able to deactivate that specific card, and it will no longer be usable anymore. Then you could also add a gift card product. So if you click on add a gift card product, you will be able to add your gift card product over here. So gift card. Then you could set up the different information over here, the description, the media, all of those default types of information that you would usually be able to get. Then you have your denominations over here. You can add denominations if you want. You can delete them as well. And you can put in your product type and all the other information that you would usually be able to add on a normal product. And there we go. You will be able to have a gift card that is a product as well. And that's basically it, guys. That is how you will be able to set up your gift cards in Shopify. If you enjoyed this video, consider leaving a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.